Our feasibility study for the Nyamira Integrated Agro-Industrial Park has been validated, paving way for the groundbreaking facility that will enhance value addition as well as provide market for the readily available raw material.
Industrialization, Trade and Enterprise Development Ministry Secretary Ezekiel Okeo said the industrial park, which is part of the program for country partnerships, aims to stimulate manufacturing activities in rural areas and create about 6,000 job opportunities.
Here's that report.
The Nyamira Integrated Agro-Industrial Park is projected to be constructed on a 265-acre piece of land at Sironga, Nyamira County, sponsored by the government and development partners led by United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Feasibility study for the project has been completed and was validated during a workshop held in Nyamira County, where speakers noted that the project under the Kenya Self-Starter Initiative Program for County Partnership will supplement the government's efforts in industrializing the country.
We are putting basic infrastructure to make sure that things that the investments require are. But investments are not going to be done by government. Therefore, for now, we are doing the preparatory work that is required to prepare the site and market it. Then investors should come. So those are the things we are doing together with UNIDO and the development partners. We have brought the government of China on board that has already sponsored us through the feasibility study, and we are moving on. So as we go on, we'll find.
I think that can be done in 3 years, it can be done in 5 years. It's all dependent on the availability and access to the resources that are required to drive it forward.
The industrial park that is expected to be constructed within 5 years is backed to offer a ready market for agricultural produce from the southern Nyanza region for value addition and drive Kenya's manufacturing agenda.
To value addition, to start from the list in the design of this project, which are 5 counties, doing aggregation, sorting, making sure that product quality are there, cleaning. Then we have the 3 levels, Rural Transformation Center. Further, the value addition comes, SMEs are integrated. We are looking at Nyamira Park to be very, very high level.
The project will see establishment of rural information centers, small and medium enterprises, and offer training for farmers to prop up the manufacturing of high-quality products.
The farmers is that they will be having training centers and their productivity will improve through the training, and their produce will nearly double the incomes. That's the basic issue.
The national and Nyamira County government will provide the prerequisite support structures to attract investors and facilitate a smooth takeoff of the project.